Hey, good morning everybody, and welcome back to one of my videos. Today I just wanted to show you a watch that I bought. The link is in the description. It is fantastic. The one downfall I've seen of all these watches, and it's not just this one, is the blood pressure. The heart rate and all that stuff seems to be fine, but the blood pressure, even the $500 watches like this, the blood pressure I was told does not work properly. But anyway, you can watch this video to the end and see all the ins and outs of this watch. It works great with Android or Apple, and I enjoy mine a lot, and a couple of friends of mine have bought them and they like them. So I'll just let you check them out here. And if you like the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I'll have another video for you soon. You guys have a great day.